Yeah, I was just setting up my die set. This is RCBS set I use for 3030. And I happened to think of something. Once last winter, I did a video about challenges of reloading when it's cold. And I had mentioned that you can actually plug this little vent on these full-length sizing dies, and then you'll get little divots around the shoulder. And that isn't just the RCBS dies, that's not that uncommon. Here's a Lee die, same thing. This is for the Mosin, but it's got a vent hole in it. And what happens is they fill, case lube works its way up in there. And that vent, when it's in the die, is always covered by those threads. Normally if you're running it, you'll hear the air hissing out of there. But if it plugs, like I say, then you won't hear that hiss anymore, and you'll start getting the dents in the case. Now, after I did that video, a couple days later, I was watching a gun chat, and then they brought that up. I said, nope, no such thing. I don't know how they could miss this, but they are vented. And for good reason, because that air's got to go someplace. Because you get a tapered case like that, the expander's got this pushed out, tight up here, tight down here, and you slide in there, that pressure builds up. It's got to go someplace, so it dents right on that shoulder. So that's something to watch for. I mean, if you ever, because it doesn't even have to be if it's cold, they can just plug up with dirt. But on full-length sizing dies, you will find that little vent hole. But it's just that normally, when they're in position, it'll be covered by the threads, which is part of the reason that they plug up. But some people thought I was making that up. But that's there, and it's there for a reason.